Delhi, Agra and Jaipur form the cornerstones of India's renowned Golden Triangle, making it an ideal tour for any first-time visitor. The famous route is celebrated for its abundance of culture, color and charisma. But we couldn't visit this part of the world without going in search of the majestic Bengal tiger. And so we combined the best of the Golden Triangle with the wildlife-rich jungles of Madhya Pradesh, scouting the best hotels, lodges and experiences along the way. Our journey began in the bustling streets of Delhi, a city of striking contrasts between its cosmopolitan half and its older, more chaotic counterpart. After exploring the capital, we ventured into India's central jungles, where we shared the untamed terrain with the largest cats in the world. After Madhya Pradesh, we rejoined the trail of the Golden Triangle, stopping in Agra to admire the iconic Taj Mahal. Our adventure then led to Rajasthan's Pink City. Known as the Paris of India, Jaipur is alive with ancient forts, temples and palaces. We ended our expedition where we started, completing our version of the Golden Triangle.